Hi everyone, this is Pallavi Anand. Welcome to class 2. Max needs a promotion. Let's quickly go through the introduction followed by the conversation. Introduction. Max is sad. He had heard from the people around in his office that Rakesh, his junior, is going to get a promotion very soon. Max has been in this company for more than 5 years and he feels that he is capable of being promoted. He feels that his manager is biased and believes that his junior will be promoted instead of him, and hence he is very demotivated and sad. Let's see what happens ahead. Conversation. Max, you look a bit sad today. What happened?
Yes, pal. Do you know that a company is going to promote few people in the next month?
Yes, I have also heard about it. So what is there to be sad about it?
I have heard Rakesh, who is my junior, might get a promotion.
Who told you this?
While having lunch, I heard from people around in our team.
Oh, that must be a rumor.
No, I don't think so. It is a rumor.
How can you be so confident?
Rakesh has been smiling since morning.
Max, there must be some other reason he's smiling.
Maybe he knows he will be promoted.
How does he know that?
Our manager must have told him.
Why will the manager tell him in advance?
The manager was a senior in his college.
So what if he was a senior?
The manager is biased, they are friends.
Max, to become a manager, one has to be capable and needs to prove one's capabilities.
But he is biased and he will favor his friend.
I don't think so. Do not think so much, Max.
I've been working with this company for more than 5 years.
I know that, Max.
I have more experience than him.
I agree with you, Max.
I have capability to be a manager. Don't you think so, pal?
Sure, I agree, Max, that you have the relevant experience and you are capable too.
Then I should also get a promotion now.
Sure, you also will get it.
But if Rakesh gets the promotion, how will I get the same position?
You know what, Max? I think they will select 2 to 3 capable candidates and then one of these may be you.
I don't think so, pal. They will be biased.
Max, don't get so tensed. You will get a promotion.
If I don't get a promotion, I'll leave this company.
Oh, Max, don't think of leaving the company.
I have no choice. I cannot work under my junior.
Why are you assuming that he will be promoted?
Because I heard people saying so.
Let people say so. Has your manager told you so, Max? Just relax. Do not worry so much.
I will ask my manager.
Do not ask about it, Max. Let him get back to you.
Okay, pal, I will wait.
Max, relax. I think you will get this promotion.
Yes, I need this promotion.
Summary. Listen to the conversation carefully and understand how to listen and respond. Pal understood that Max was sad and she asked him about it. Pal discussed the matter with Max and tried to motivate him and asked him to believe in himself. Pal believes that Max is capable for a promotion and he will be promoted. Pal asks not to believe in the people around and wait to get the clarity. So friends, please try and catch the important words in the conversation. Understand the conversation and observe new sentences in it. Start using the sentences in your day-to-day conversations. Hope you enjoyed this video. Like, share, subscribe and comment. Have fun. Happy learning.